This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. The question asks us about these three experiments and whether they completely prove or do not prove this hypothesis. So the hypothesis is that the more porous the soil, the more permeable the soil. So we saw in experiment 1 this hold true: very porous dry sand and completely permeable. After 10 minutes, water seeps to the bottom. And we saw it also held true in experiment 3. It's non-porous, and by the end of 60 minutes, the water has not passed through the bottom of the jar. So it's definitely proven to some extent. So we want to go through our choices and get rid of anything that says do not prove. So choice number 2 says do not prove the hypothesis. It kind of does. And choice 4, disprove. So now we're stuck with two choices, whether it completely proves the hypothesis or somewhat. So judging from experiments 1 and 3, it would completely prove the hypothesis. But let's look at 2. So 2 is a little weird because we have limestone, which is almost non-porous. And we see that after 30 minutes, some of the water is in the bottom of the jar, but there's still some water on top of the soil. So it seems like it's permeable only in certain aspects. So this is a bit of a weird outcome of the experiment. It doesn't prove or disprove the hypothesis. So we'd want to go with somewhat prove because experiment 2 makes it not completely proven. So choice 3 is our answer.